Okay, before moving on to drawing the rest of the alien, I want to mention something about what are called system variables. System variables are special variables that are automatically defined. In other words, we don't declare them. They are just simply automatically defined and automatically store bits of information. And two very useful system variables in processing are called the width and the height. And the width automatically stores the width of the sketch window, and the height automatically stores the height of the sketch window. So we can make use of that in this program here that we're developing by simply doing this. If you recall, I decided to make the center of the alien's head to be at the width divided by 2. I could simply type that in like this. You can see that when I type width, that's printed in blue, which tells you that that's a system variable and that automatically holds the width of the sketch window. Same thing for height, right? I picked 67 because 67 is about 1/3 of 200, which is the current height of the sketch window. But I could just simply put height there, divided by 3. And height automatically stores the height of the sketch window, so I'm going to get the same result. Here, this 100 we got by taking the width divided by 3, so let's just type that in. Width divided by 3. And this is advantageous because now the alien's head will actually scale with the size of the window. In other words, if I change the size of the window, the size of the alien's head will change as well, will scale with it. If the window becomes bigger, the alien's head will become larger. If the window becomes smaller, the alien's head will become smaller, and that's without us changing anything except the size of the window. So let's just take a look at a few sketches here. If I just leave it as is, we should get what we've been getting in the previous tutorials. Alright, so that is what we have been getting. But if I now go ahead and change this, let's say to a 100 by 100 window, right? That's the only thing I've changed, but you'll see that the alien's head will scale down with the window simply because now the width and the height, these system variables, now hold the number 100 and 100. Let's see. Okay, there you have it. Smaller window, and the alien's head is smaller. If I had not used the system variables there, and I didn't go ahead and change the values of these variables, then the alien's head would fill the window because it wouldn't have scaled down. One more change. Let's make these bigger. Let's say 500, 500. The window will become larger, but so will the alien's head. And there, you can see, I can't fit the entire sketch window in, but you can see that the alien's head has scaled up along with the window.